Hi, beauty lovers. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Adama. So, on this channel, we'll be reviewing beauty products, skincare products, makeup products. Yes. Okay, so before we get into the business of the day, kindly subscribe, like, share, comment. Okay, so the product we'll be reviewing today is the Hyper Beauty Expert Sun Care Sunscreen and Moisturizer. So this is what the product looks like. Okay, so this product, let's look at the packaging of this product. So it comes in a pack like this, and this is the sunscreen. Comes in a pack like this, and this is the sunscreen. So this product is 50 ml. Then the sun protection factor is SPF 50. Is SPF 50, comes in 50 ml. So this product is for face and body. It promises to protect against UVA rays and UVB rays. So now let's look at the major ingredients of this product. So we have water, titanium dioxide, then there is vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. So this product is a mineral sunscreen and it is unscented, meaning that this product has no fragrance. So if you're somebody that likes products with fragrance, this might not be for you. If you're somebody that likes products without fragrance, this is for you. So now the pricing. This product retails between 4,500 and 5,000 naira, depending on where you get it from. So I can say is quite affordable. So now let's look at the product. Okay, so this is what this product looks like. The consistency is not very thick and is equally not very light. So I'm just going to apply it on my skin. So the challenge a lot of people have with wearing sunscreen is that most times a lot of sunscreen leave white cast on the face. So it's quite not easy to go through with that because when you apply the sunscreen, some of the sunscreen leaves white cast. It's not easy to blend. It's very thick. So a lot of people just shy away from wearing sunscreen because of the issue of white cast. But as you can see, this sunscreen is easy to blend. It's lightweight and it quickly absorbs into the skin. It quickly absorbs into the skin. That's one thing I like about this product. It doesn't leave any white cast. It quickly absorbs into the skin. So I'm going to add more and still blend. So this product has this sunscreen has a light minty cool effect on the skin. It's lightweight and it gives this glow. As you can see, it gives this glow. So that makes it gives this glow. So now I'm done with blending. I'm just going to blend this one on my skin. So my observation about this product is quite affordable. Then it's very handy. This is 50 ml, so you can easily carry it in your handbag. It's easy to carry around. But then it's a sunscreen for face and body, meaning that if you're using this for face and body, it will get finished quickly. So I would suggest that the makers of this product, that is Hyper Beauty Cosmetics, could do two sizes of this product. This 50 ml is fine, but they could also do 100 ml or 150 ml so that if you're using it for face and body, you won't have to be getting the sunscreen every time. You could just have the 150 ml for your face and body. Then you could have this in your handbag so that you can easily reapply when you go out. Then another advantage of this sunscreen is that it's budget friendly for anybody that is on a budget who does not want to spend a lot of money. You could get this sunscreen and use it because it's two in one. You don't have to get a moisturizer anymore because it serves as a sunscreen and as a moisturizer at the same time. So basically, I like this sunscreen. I would suggest you get it. It's easy to get. It's on Instagram. And you can check out my Instagram page, 8024glam underscore makeup underscore store to buy this product. So it's a good product you can buy. Yeah, so basically that's all for this review. Thank you for staying with me today. Kindly subscribe, like, comment,